In Contents, select the Crater Lake Geology group layer and use the Layer Appearance Effects Transparency slider to set it to about 50%. In Contents, right-click and remove the topographic base map. Examine the current scale. Zoom in until the geology subunits appear with their labels, and the park map starts to look pixelated. Note the scale. In Contents, click the Classes and Labels layer and examine the Feature Layer Appearance and Labeling ribbons. The detailed geology symbols are set to appear at 1 to 24,000, and the labels appear at 1 to 10,000. Zoom back to the extent of the map. Save the project. It is always smart to save before publishing.